ॐ यदविद्याविलासेन भूतभौतिकसृष्टयः तन्नौमि परमात्मानं सच्चिदानन्दविग्रहम् शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। वेदांत परिभाषा पेज नंबर 94। केवल व्यतिरेकी अनुमान खंडनम इज डन। सेकंड पैराग्राफ इन टीका। एतेन ब्रह्मणि अभिधेयत्व स्थापनम अपि निरस्तम। This प्रमेयत्वादि विरोध was shown. That प्रमेयत्वम is केवलान्वयी. एतेन by this ब्रह्मणि अभिधेयत्व स्थापनम अपि निरस्तम means Brahma is Vachyartha. Abhidheyatvam means Vachyatvam. Brahma is not Vachyartha of any Shabda. Abhidheyatva Sthapanam Nirastam. Yad Vacha Anabhyuditam Yena Vag Abhyudyate Tadeva Brahmatvam Vidhi Nedam Yadidam Upasate. So this mantra shows that which cannot be revealed by speech. Yad Vacha Anabhyuditam. वाचा इस तृतीया। येन वाग अभ्युद्यते, येन वाग इंद्रियम अभ्युद्यते तदेव ब्रह्म, दैट इज चैतन्य ब्रह्म त्वं विद्धि। अविज्ञातम विजानताम, विज्ञातम अविजानताम, यस्या मतम तस्य मतम, मतम यस्य न वेदसः। यस्य अमतम, यस्य ब्रह्म अज्ञातम, तस्य मतम, he knows, yasya matam tasya matam. Matam yasya, the one who says Brahma is jnatam, na vedasaha, he does not know Brahma. Why? Because he has known Brahma as some Vishaya. Vishayatvena Brahma Jnanam is Bhranti. Because Brahma is myself, not other than me. So avijñatam vijanatam. Vijanatam purushanam Brahma avijñatam. Avijñatam vijanatam. Vijñatam avijanatam. Avijanatam Brahma vijñatam. Those who don't know Brahma, they say, I know Brahma. Means I know Brahma as Vishaya. Pratibodha viditam matam. Amrutatvam hi vindate. Then
आत्मना विन्दते वीर्यं वीर्यया विन्द्यते मतम्।
vidyaya vindate amrit. Atmana vindate viryam vidyaya vindate amritam. Bodham bodham prati iti pratibodha viditam. Pratibodhena kim viditam? Pratibodhena kim viditam? ब्रह्म. प्रतिबोध विदितम मतम. प्रतिबोध. In each bodha, what is getting known is Kutastha Brahma. Pratibodha viditam matam amrutatvam hi vindate. That person attains amrutatvam. Atmana vindate viryam. Vidyaya vindate amrutam. Atmana vindate viryam. There different ideas are there about Atma. In Padabhashya and Vakya Bhashya, they are put differently. Atmana vindate viryam, vidyaya vindate amrutam. There in Vakya Bhashya it is given vidyaya vindate viryam, atmana vindyate amrutam. In other words, that antakarana where this jnanam is, there is balam. And vidya will give amrutatvam. This is in general the idea. So pratibodha viditam, not vishayatvena, ityadi shrutya, brahmani vachyatvader nishiddhatvat. In Brahma, vachyatva nishedha is done. Now, somebody says later, I thought you have accepted that Brahma is Vachya of Pada or Shabda. He says, no, nacha grantha krita tatra vachyatvam vakshamanam iti bhramitavyam. Grantha krita means by Vedanta Paribhasha Granthaka, Dharma Raja Dwarindra, by this Acharya. Later in this text, in Shabda Pramana and Vishaya Prayojanam, Brahma is mentioned as Vachyartha, Vachyatvam, Vakshamanam, iti na Brahmitavyam. No, he has not said that. But it sounds like that, where Lakshanam vina shaktya api mahavakyena akhandartho bodhaitum shakyate. Lakshanam vina shaktya api mahavakyena akhandartho bodhaitum shakyate. This sounds familiar?
Yes, Swamiji. Siddhanta.
Where?
Siddhanta.
Siddhanta Bindu. In Siddhanta Bindu, Tika, we were seeing that through Shakti, without Lakshana, Mahavakyana Akhandartha Bodhaitum Shakyate. Iti etat para uttara granthasya brahmani vachyatvam asti. Iti etat kathana paratva abhavat. This Vakya is there. That Lakshana vina shaktyapi mahavakyena akhandartho bodhaitum shakyate. This understanding is there. But that does not mean in Brahma there is Vachyatva. Brahma has become Vachyartha of Shabda. That is not what it means. Iti etat para uttar granthasya brahmani Vachyatvam asti iti etat kathana paratva abhava. In the Uttar Grantha, this is there. Lakshanam vina shaktyapi mahavakyena akhandartho bodhaitum shakya. That Vedanta Paribhashakar will accept. But that does not mean Brahma has become Vachyartha. Brahmani Vachyatvam asti iti etat kathana paratva abhavat. Yadapi vyatireka anumana upapadanam tadapi asangatam. And vyatireka anumana upapadanam. व्यतिरेकी व्याप्ति, व्यतिरेक अनुमान उपादानम that you did, that is also asangatam, tadapi asangatam. अर्थापत्तिवादिनां तदावश्यकत्वे तद्वादिनां अर्थापत्तेरावश्यकत्वापत्तेः. The sentence construction is very beautiful. It will make you alert if you are thinking. अर्थापत्तिवादिनां तदावश्यकत्वे तद्वादिनां अर्थापत्तेरावश्यकत्वापत्तेः. Second number टिप्पणी, अर्थापत्तिवादिनां means पूर्वोत्तर मीमांसकानां, पूर्व मीमांसकानां उत्तर मीमांसकानां च. We are अर्थापत्तिवादीस्. तस्याः व्यतिरेक व्याप्त्या आवश्यकत्वे. If you say for those people who want to accept arthapatti, they can accept it. But for them, vyatireki vyapti, they will have to accept. Because vyatireki vyapti is serving some different purpose. Therefore, vyatireki vyapti, they have to accept. Arthapatti vadinam tad avashyakatve. Tad means vyatireka vyapti. Vyatireka vyapti avashyakatve. Then tadvadinam. Tadvadinam means vyatireki anumanavadinam. Then those for whom who accept vyatireki vyapti, they will have to accept arthapatti also. We will say like that. Means if a Nayayika says, you Mimamsakas and Vedantins, you can have arthapatti, but you will have to accept vyatireka vyapti. Then Vedantin and Mimamsakas will say, you can have vyatireka vyapti, but you will have to accept arthapatti. This is also required. So you cannot force us. We will not tell you anything. You be on your own. Whatever you want to do, you do. So this way, vyatireki anumana upapadanam is asangatam. Yattu pratyaksha shabdayor yatha prithak pramanyam yatha तथा अर्थापत्तेरपि इत्यादि. तदपि न. प्रत्यक्ष and shabda pramana. So you say pratyaksha is a different pramana. It has its own pramanya. Shabda pramana has its own pramanya. Like that, arthapatti also should have its own pramanyam. Tadapi na. Now this tadapi na, who will say we will see? That is also not true. Vyatireka vyaptehe eva arthapatti pramanatvena dvayoho samagri bheda bhavena vaishamya. Vyatireka vyapti and arthapatti. Vyatireka vyaptehe eva arthapatti pramana. Vyatireka vyapti is arthapatti pramanam. And both of them, they have same samagri. Dvayoho samagri bheda abhavena. They have samana samagri. Therefore, your drishtanta and darshtanta has vaishamyam. Drishtanta was what? Just as pratyaksha is different pramana, it has its own pramanyam. Shabda has its own pramanyam. Like that, arthapatti should have its own pramanyam. That is not the hetu. Then, तथा च व्यतिरेक व्याप्ति ज्ञाने यत्र वन्यादि ज्ञानम तत्र वन्यम कल्पयामि इति आकारक अनुव्यवसाय उपलम्भात् तत्करणम अर्थापत्ति ही एव न तु अनुमानम तस्य अनुमिति अहेतुत्वात्. How this pramanyam should be established? In this way. Just as Vyatireka Vyapti Jnane, Vyatireka Vyapti Jnane Yatra Vanyadi Jnanam Tatra Vanyam Kalpayami. Vyatireka Vyapti Jnanam. You remember the form of Vyatireka Vyapti? Vyatireka Vyapti. Yes.
यत्र यत्र वन्यभाव तत्र तत्र धूमाभाव.
यत्र यत्र वन्य भाव तत्र तत्र धूमा भाव. So dhuma bhava will be sadhya. Vanya bhava will become hetu. In hrida dhuma bhavavan vanya bhavatvat. In this way you can do anumana. Vyatireka vyapti jnani yatra vanyadi jnanam tatra vanyam kalpayami. And this is another one. Vanyadi jnanam tatra vanyam kalpayami. So Vanni kalpana you will do through Parvato Vanniman Dhumat. But how? Yadi Vanni nasyat tarhi Dhumopi nasyat. So Yadi Vanni nasyat is Vanni abhav. Tarhi Dhumopi nasyat. So Tatra Vannim kalpayami, if you say, if this kind of Anuvyavasaya Upalambha is there. Upalambha means Jnanam. Iti akaraka anuvyavasaya upalambhat tat karanam arthapatti hi eva. Then its karana is arthapatti, not anumana. Why? Because there is no anumiti hetu. Tasya anumiti ahetutvat. Tasya kasya anuvyavasaya jnanasya. This anuvyavasaya jnanam, its karana will be vannim kalpayami. Or vanni kalpana will become the karana for anuvyavasaya. So vannim kalpayami iti akaraka anuvyavasaya upalambhat tat karanam arthapatti hi eva. So then its karana will be arthapatti, not anumanam, because there is no anumiti hetutvam. There is arthapatti hetutvam. In other words, Vyatireka Vyapti, where if somebody is doing Vanni Kalpana, then actually Vannim Kalpayami, this kind of Anuvyavasaya Jnanam will tell me that this is coming from Arthapatti. Upapadya Jnanena Upapadaka Kalpanam. This is Arthapatti. So, Pinatvam, Pinatva Jnanam, it becomes Upapadya. Ratri Bhojana Jnanam will become Upapadakam. It will be the Kalpanam. So, if I see Devadatta as fat, then I will do this Upapadanam. It is not that his fatness is the Hetu and I am doing Anumanam. That if Ratri Bhojanam nasyat, tarhi Pinatvam api न स्यात्, this kind of Vyatireka Vyapti is not enough there. This is Vyatireka Vyapti. Naiyayikas will say this is Vyatireka Vyapti Swarupa. If Ratri Bhojana was not there, fatness would not have been there. Since fatness is there, therefore I am doing Kalpanam of Ratri Bhojana. This is how Naiyayika will say. So Vedanti says that we already saw earlier, and next sentence also it tells that it is not enough to do this way Vyatireka Vyapti. Yattu व्यतिरेक सहचार मात्र ज्ञान जन्य अन्वय व्याप्ति धीहि यत्र अनुमिति हेतु स व्यतिरेकी. This is how Purvapakshi, actually this is all that was discussed by the Shikhamani-kara. So that is being refuted, that yattu yat tvaya uktam etat tadapi na, like that. व्यतिरेक सहचार मात्र ज्ञान जन्य. व्यतिरेक सहचार is यत्र यत्र वन्य भाव तत्र तत्र धूमा भाव. This is व्यतिरेक सहचार मात्र ज्ञान जन्य अन्वय व्याप्ति धी. Through this अन्वय व्याप्ति धी यत्र अनुमिति हेतु, there where it becomes अनुमिति हेतु, that is व्यतिरेकी व्याप्ति. तदपि न. Siddhanti says that is not true. Why? Anvaya Sahachara Darshanas. Actually, this is not according in the main text of Vedanta Paribhasha. This is all because Shikhamani-kara has brought everything, and Shikhamani-kara was brought in the Tika. So all this discussion is happening, and Shikhamani-kara Mata is being refuted. अन्वय सहचार दर्शनस्य अन्वय व्याप्ति ज्ञान जनकताया व्यतिरेक सहचार दर्शनस्य व्यतिरेक व्याप्ति ज्ञान जनकतायाः सर्वलोक अनुभव सिद्धतया अन्वय सहचार दर्शनस्य अन्वय व्याप्ति ज्ञान जनकत्व. When अन्वय सहचार is there, yatra dhumas tatra vanni, it is going to give अन्वय व्याप्ति. व्यतिरेक सहचार दर्शन will give व्यतिरेक व्याप्ति. व्यतिरेक व्याप्ति ज्ञान जनकतायाः सर्वालोक अनुभव सिद्धतया तद विरुद्ध कार्य कारण भाव वर्णन अनौचित्यात्. What is सर्वलोक अनुभव सिद्ध? That अन्वय सहचार, where A is, B is. This is Anvaya Sachar. Where B is not, A is not. This is Vyatireka Sachar. So one will give Anvaya Vyapti, another Vyatireka Vyapti. Vyatireka Vyapti Jnana Janakataya Sarva Loka Anubhava Siddhataya Tad Viruddha Karyakara Bhava Varnana. That what Purvapakshi said, Vyatireka Sahachara Matra Jnana Janya Anvaya Vyapti thi. Anvaya Vyapti Jnanam comes from Vyatireka Sahachara. This is Viruddha of the Niyama. Anvaya Sahachar will give Anvaya Vyapti, Vyatirek Sahachar will give Vyatirek Vyapti. Vyatirek Sahachar Jnanena Anvaya Vyapti, this is how it was explained earlier. I'm not going to go back, but those who want to see, they can see. So Siddhanti says that is anauchitya. It is not appropriate. And therefore, this is the conclusion now. तथा नास्ति अर्थापत्ति व्यतिरिक्तम व्यतिरेकी अनुमानम. Other than अर्थापत्ति व्यतिरिक्तम व्यतिरेकी अनुमानम नास्ति. Vyatireki anumanam is not different from Arthapatti. Means don't say Vyatireka anumanam is different, Arthapatti is different. Arthapatti will include Vyatireki Vyapti. and therefore we don't need Vyatireki Vyapti. एतेन तस्य अन्वय व्यतिरेकी रूपत्वमपि प्रत्युक्तम्, and therefore tasya अन्वय व्यतिरेकी व्याप्ति according to न्याय 3 types: केवलान्वयी, केवल व्यतिरेकी, अन्वय व्यतिरेकी. According to Vedanta,
अन्वयस्व
1.
अन्वयी. थर्ड नंबर टिप्पणी, व्यतिरेकी अनुमानम व्यतिरेकी निराकरणेन. नास्ति अर्थापत्ति व्यतिरिक्तम व्यतिरेकी अनुमानम. So pratyuktam, in this way all are refuted. Tasmat anumanam अन्वयी रूपम एव इति सुष्ठु उक्तम मूलकृद्भिः. Therefore मूलकार वेदांत परिभाषाकार he said anumanam is only अन्वयी रूपम इति सुष्ठु उक्तम. That is well said. अन्यथा अपसिद्धांत पातः आपातः अपसिद्धांतापातः दीर्घ. अन्यथा अपसिद्धांत आपातः आपत्ति. Not only that, सांप्रदायिक ग्रंथेषु केवलान्वयी, केवल व्यतिरेकी, अन्वय व्यतिरेकी अनुमानानां क्वापि अनुपन्यासात्. In सांप्रदायिक ग्रंथ means in भगवान भाष्यकार's ग्रंथ etc. केवलान्वयी, केवल व्यतिरेकी और अन्वय व्यतिरेकी अनुमानम is never given. Only अन्वयी रूप अनुमानम is given. क्वापि अनुपन्यास. This is but somewhere it is given. क्वचित प्रयोगस्तु परमत अनुसारेण द्रष्टव्यः. If wherever there is such prayoga, it is according to paramata, nyayamata, to refute them, or since we are talking with them, therefore we are using their language. So क्वचित प्रयोगस्तु परमत अनुसारेण द्रष्टव्य इति आस्तां तावत्. So this is enough about Vyatireki Anumanam. With this, this Vyapti Prakarana is complete. So this was one of the biggest and toughest because it had lot of complex discussions, including portions from Advaita Siddhi. Now we are again Saral Tika. यथोक्त अनुमानस्य द्वैविध्यम आह. Now this अनुमानम is of 2 types. तच्च अनुमानम स्वार्थ परार्थ भेदेन द्विविधम. This अनुमानम is of 2 types. स्वार्थ अनुमानम, परार्थ अनुमानम. In तर्क संग्रह we have seen this. टीका तत्र द्विविधे. What is स्वार्थम? तत्र means let's just read the Moolam first, then we will see the Tika. Because for every word, he has given some small things. But it is simple. Tatra Swartham tu Uktam eva. Swarthanumanam is already said. What is already said? Swarthanumanam means this Anvaya Rupa Vyapti. Tu Uktam eva. Parartham tu Nyaya Sadhyam. And Parartha Anumanam means where the Avayava. So Vedanti accepts how many Avayava? 3. See. Nyaya Sadhyam. Nyayo tu Nama Vayava Samudaya. What is Nyaya? Nyaya is Nam Avayava Samudaya. Avayavascha Traya eva Prasiddhaha. Avayavas are three. Traya eva Prasiddhaha. Pratignya, Hetu, Udaharana Rupaha. Three Avayavas. Avayavascha Traya eva Prasiddha. Pratignya, Hetu, Udaharana Rupa. Either you take Pratignya, Hetu, Udaharana or Udaharana Upanaya Nigamana Rupava. Natu Panchavayava Rupaha. Not five. Nyaya accepts five. Here Siddhanti says either first three or last three. Pratignya Hetu Udaharana, Udaharana Upanaya Nigamana Rupaha. Anybody remembers the shloka on this?
अत्र पञ्चतयं केचित्
Tatra Panchatam Kechit,
केचिद्वयं वयं त्रयं
Kechit Dvayam, Vayam Trayam. Then second line is Udaharana Paryantam Yadvodaharanadikam. Either Udaharana Paryantam, Yadva, or Udaharana is the Adi. Either ending in Udaharana or starting from Udaharana. This shloka is by Mimamsakas, but we can use that. He says, Tatra Panchatayam Kechit. Some people say five Avayavas, Panchatayam Kechit. Means Nayayikas. Kechit Dvayam. Bauddhas, they say only two Avayavas we need. Vayam Trayam. Vayam Mimamsakaha. Purva Uttara Mimamsakaha Trayam. Udaharana Paryantam Yadvodaharanadikam. Natu Panchavayava Rupaha. Why? Avayava Trayana eva Vyapti Paksha Dharmatayoho Upadarshana Sambhavena Adhika Avayava Dvayasya Vyarthatvat. Vyarthatvat. Through three Avayavas, Avayava Trayana eva Vyapti Paksha Dharmata Jnanam is possible. And through that, you can do Anumanam. Upadarshana Sambhavena Adhika Avayava Dvayasya. The extra two Avayavas are Vyartha. See Tika. Swarthanumanam. Swartha means Swa Vivada Gochara Artha Sadhakam is Swartha. Is Uktameva. Where Vyabhichara Adarshane Sati Sahachara Darshanena Grihyate. Swarthanumanam is Vyabhichara Adarshane Sati Sahachara Darshana. Where Vyabhichara is not and Sahachara is there. That's all that is needed for Swarthanumanam. Swarthanumanam means when I am doing Anumanam for myself. When is that? Swa Vivada Gochara Artha Sadhakam. Swa Vivada. In my own mind, there is Vivada. I see clouds. I am going to Gangaji. Whether it is going to rain or not. This is Swa Vivada. So I don't do Pratignya. I don't do Vyapti whenever there is cloud. Swavivada Gochara Artha Sadhakam. That where I come to conclusion. Nigamanam is there. That is Swarthanumanam. Vyabhichara, there is no Vyabhichara. Vyabhichara Adarshane Sati Sahachara Darshana. Sahachara Darshanena Grihyate. Iti Uktayaha Nirukta Vyaptehe Jnanam Eva. This Nirukta Vyapti, whatever Vyapti that was shown, that Vyaptehe Jnanam. Vyapti Jnanam is Swarthanumanam. Pararthantu, what is pararthanumanam? Para vivada vishayartha sadhakam. Parena, para vivada means parena when there is vivada. Vishaya artha, repa is missing, artha sadhakam. So at that time, if I have to do artha siddhi, then I need those avayavas. Nyaya sadhyam means nyaya prayojyam. Nyaya uses those words. Nyaya shabdartham aha nyayo nama. Nyaya is avayava samudaya, the group of these avayavas, that is called nyaya. What is avayava samudaya? He says vakshyamana avayava ghatita vakyam. Vakshyamana avayava ghatita vakya. So those avayavas, pratignya hetu drishtanta tad ghatita vakya. Or उदाहरण
उपनयो निगमनम्.
उपनय निगमन. उपनय निगमन. सी टिप्पणी. टिप्पणी नंबर 1 is on avayavaha trayeva avayavascha. So actually too much is given in this tippani. You don't need so much avayava. You just have to understand what is pratignya hetu. He has given paksha dharmata and all. Let us read. Anumiti charama karana paksha dharmata jnana prayojaka shabda jnana janaka vakyatvam avayavatvam. What is avayava? He said this is avayava. Anumiti charama karana. The final thing that you need before anumanam is paksha dharmata. Paksha dharmata jnana prayojaka shabda jnana janaka vakyatvam. Every time there need not be shabda jnanam. Shabda jnana janaka vakyatvam avayavatvam. So shabda jnana janaka here means more in the form of what is pratignya, what is hetu, that appearing as shabdas. Anumiti charama karana. Paksha dharmata. What is paksha dharmata?
पक्षे
Pakshe
हेतु.
hetu. So in paksha, hetu should be there. That jnanam is paksha dharmata jnana. Tad jnana prayojaka shabda jnana means parvato dhumavan. That vakyatvam. See, he gives example. Vanniman iti akarika anumitehe charama karanam yad dhumavanayam ityakarakam paksha dharmata jnana. Vanniman, parvato vanniman, ityakarika anumiti. This is the nature of the anumanam, anumiti. Anumitehe charama karanam. What is the final thing needed just before so that anumiti can happen? Yad ayam dhumavan. Ayam parvato dhumavan. Ayam parvato dhumavan. How? Vanni vyapya dhumavan ayam parvataha. Iti akarakam paksha dharmata jnana. तस्य प्रतिज्ञा हेतु उदाहरणाः अवयवाः त्रय इति पक्षे. So when you take these first three, प्रतिज्ञा हेतु उदाहरण as three avayavas, paramparaya sakshadva janakani, these three will become paramparaya. These three avayavas when they are there, then थ्रू परंपरा और साक्षात जनकानी यानी शब्द ज्ञानानी, यानी अन्वय you have to do with shabda jnana. What are they? So this kind of shabda jnanam I have to get in my mind, or somebody should tell me, because I have to finally tell someone else for pararthanumana. Vanni sambandhi abhinnah parvatah. This is pratigya. Vanni sambandhi abhinnah parvatah means parvato is vanniman. धूम संबंधी अभिन्नः, धूम व्यापक वन्नी संबंधी अभिन्नः पर्वतः. धूम संबंधी अभिन्नः पर्वतः means पर्वतो धूमवान. Are you all understanding? This is simple.
Yes, Swamiji.
Yes, Swamiji.
Okay. वन्नी संबंधी अभिन्नः पर्वतः, धूम संबंधी अभिन्नः पर्वतः, धूम व्यापक वन्नी संबंधी अभिन्नः means वन्नी व्याप्य धूमवान अयम पर्वतः. Parvata has this kind of विशेषणस. धूम व्यापक वन्नी संबंधी अभिन्न पर्वत. Either you say धूम व्यापक वन्नी और वन्नी व्याप्य धूम, वन्नी व्याप्य धूमवान अयम पर्वतः इति आकारकाणि शब्द ज्ञानानि सच शब्द ज्ञानम. So in that pratignya is there vanni sambandhi abhinna parvata. Then hetu, how hetu is given? Dhuma sambandhi abhinna, and paramarsha is there dhuma vyapaka vanni sambandhi abhinna parvata. So dhuma vanni vyapti is there, that is udaharana. Mahanasa shabda prayoga is not there. Udaharana means somewhere you have seen the vyapti, that vyapti is put here. तज्जनकत्वे सति वाक्यत्वं प्रतिज्ञादि अवयवेषु इति लक्षण समन्वयः. तज्जनकत्वे सति वाक्यत्वं, where it is, that is pararthanumana, avayavas are there, anumanam will happen. Evam udaharanadi pakshe api gneyam. Same thing you should also understand when there is udaharana, upanaya, nigamana. Nigamana is same as pratignya. And upanaya will be whatever applies to that vyapti, which applies to drashtanta, you have to bring it to darashtanta, paksha. Second number tippani, see, upanaya and vyapti. किम उपनयादेः व्याप्ति प्रदर्शनम प्रयोजनम. उपनयादेः व्याप्ति प्रदर्शनम किम प्रयोजनम? उतपक्ष धर्मता प्रदर्शनम. आहोस्वित व्याप्ति विशिष्ट पक्ष धर्मता ज्ञान प्रदर्शनम. So upanayadehe kim prayojanam? What is the prayojanam of upanaya? Is it vyapti pradarshanam, paksha dharmata pradarshanam, vyapti vishishta paksha dharmata jnana pradarsanam? Three vikalpas are there. Three vikalpas are for what?
What is the prayojanam of
Upanaya. Na antyah. लिंग परामर्श कारणत्वस्य निराकृतत्वेन. लिंग परामर्श अनुमानम, लिंग परामर्श निराकरणम we have done because it is for न्याय, it is not for vedanta. लिंग परामर्श कारणत्वस्य निराकृतत्वेन व्याप्ति विशिष्ट पक्ष धर्मता प्रतिपादनस्य व्यर्थत्वात्. Therefore व्याप्ति विशिष्ट पक्ष धर्मता प्रतिपादनम is not needed. So third one is out. ना अंत्यः. न आद्य द्वितीयो तयोः अवयवत्रयेण एव संपत्तिः इति अभिसंधाय आह। And the first two, पक्षधर्मता और व्याप्ति प्रदर्शनम, these two, व्याप्ति और पक्षधर्मता, in अवयवत्रय they are included. So you don't need fourth and fifth separately. What he means is this: we can do with first three, or we can do with last three. We don't need all. Why? Because in that Upanaya and Nigamanam is Pratignya, and Upanaya is not needed because they are included already in first two. अवयवत्रयेण एव संपत्तेः इति अभिसंधाय आह. So now in this page, Moolam and Tippani are all over. Tika Tathacha Anumana Prayojaka, that Vakya we have to see in the next session. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shantihi Shantihi Shantihi. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shantihi Shantihi Shantihi.